This looks brighter, it's like the wider on there than that one. And channels bandwidth, so it works exactly the same, I would think. The micro SD card goes in there, same as that one. Yeah, so pretty much the same thing. Just this one has different antennas that it comes with. And yeah, there we have it. Let's see one last thing. Yeah, that's all. That's all, guys. So hopefully I'll be able to charge this and take it out to the field, and we'll see how it does. It is look like only one battery at a time, so it'll be a, can't tell if it's 1S or 2S, but maybe it is a 1S. I think maybe 30C, 30 to 60C. Can't what is a 30C to 60C? It's either one or the other. I don't know. Just go ahead and confuse the noobs. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.
Likey.